Do you struggle getting that perfect blowout for your client, or are you a client that really struggles to get a blowout at home? Well, here you go. It's a 3-minute, but I'm going to pack this full with all the information all you beauties need. So first of all, do you guys see how dry her hair is? Her hair is literally 90% dry. So little FYI, your hair can stretch up to 50% of its elasticity while wet. Your hair is most fragile when wet. So rough drying your hair to 90%, maybe 80% before you hit it with a round brush is going to keep it strong as you're blow drying it, because you need to keep tension on it. And the key too with it as well is, do you guys see what's at the tip of my blow dryer nozzle? It's a nozzle, because the tip of a blow dryer is made of metal, and that metal gets hot. And if you were to put it to a round brush like this, it is going to fry and singe your hair off, and you're going to sit there going, oh my God, my hair is ruined, or wondering why you have breakage everywhere. That is why. Now what we're doing is what I call the pancake effect. You guys see how I'm blow drying the top and the bottom of each section? That is going to make sure you are sealing down that cuticle and making sure it is high and shiny no matter what. Now, the other thing I want to point out is, you see how I give it a little twist-a-rooney as I call it, and then we're hitting it with a cool shot? That little twist, I don't want it curly, but it's going to give a bend in the hair, especially on the front, how I curled away from the face. Right there, you can see it, and I'm letting it cool like that. A lot of your cuts are beautiful with your face frame cuts, but it's being ruined how you blow dry that front. Now, on the top of the head, we are going to blow dry on base. So that means rolling it straight down. That's going to get max volume, hitting it with a cold shot, so we get that height and that volume. Also, did you guys see the cool little nifty pick on this brush? This JRL brush has that sectioning clip that helps you section by section. And this is also my JRL blow dryer. It is so silent, it's so quiet, and it's going to get that blow dry done super quick with cool features such as the blow dry cool down shot. You can set it higher, lower with the heat, and it's not going to get so hot it fries off the hair. And you guys know those blow dryers I'm talking about. Now the last section, the front section, their bang section, see how I'm pulling it forward? I'm going to create this one different. We're going to go forward, and then we're going to flip it over and do it backwards. This will give you literally that perfect bend on that front. You know how you see that it's like that va-va-voom when stylists pull back and they show off that whole front face frame? That's how they style, or that's at least how I style to get this, a little twist-a-rooney. Then we're going to finish it off. I'm going to use some Moroccan oil hairspray to spray it, a little bit of Oli G oil on the ends, using my JRL paddle brush, finding her natural part. And once we find that natural part, it is going to be perfection. And I hope you guys save this. This isn't it. Her part wasn't there. We're going to keep brushing and moving because I realized it. And I'm in the voiceover and I can't edit it out. So we're going to switch that part, and bam, it switched over. I hope you guys like this. Tag a hair bestie, save it, and try it out. Have a beautiful day, beauties.